Hi, I'm Luis Garcia with Buchanan & Associates. At Buchanan & Associates, we help small businesses make the most of their woman-owned, minority-owned, disadvantaged, or veteran-owned business enterprise certification status so that they can grow their business expeditiously. We have helped hundreds of small businesses secure more than $90 million in public works contracts, and that's not all we offer. We help you obtain your DBE, MBE, SBA 8A, SBE, and WBE Business Enterprise certifications, enabling your company eligible to bid, often non-competitively, for millions of dollars in federal, state, and local contracts. We keep your business compliant with all contract compliance and labor compliance agencies, which include us handling your difficult and demanding audits. Buchanan & Associates keeps your paperwork and back office operations fully organized so that when you apply for loans or lines of credit, you're ready with all documentation in seconds. Finally, with our experience coaching hundreds of businesses through the growing pains, we'll help you identify dozens of contract opportunities in minutes to achieve growth. When you call our number below, you will be connected to a friendly, experienced associate who will satisfactorily handle your unique business needs. Call Buchanan & Associates now. What are you waiting for?